Hi, I'm Kit. I'm a sport management major, and we're here at the College Football Playoff National Championship, and we're here at Media Day having a bunch of fun. So this is where all of the major players and coaches get interviewed. We got Brian Dabble here, the offensive coordinator, Jalen Hurts, quarterback. I'm sure all of you know who that is. A ton of media stations here, CBS, Fox, CNN, all here. It's really, really crazy. Everybody's running around trying to get interviews in here. And here we are with the trophy right here. What does this championship mean for Alabama and your school and your program?
We go into the year preparing to get here, so I think it's just fun to see it all come true, and all our hard work didn't go to waste. So.
Do you think that technology has affected the way that we communicate with each other and how information is transmitted to like a whole group of people?
Yeah, I mean, I think there are some negatives.
It is a lot, but I think that
you tend to just assume you can get the information versus making sure you have it. But yeah, I mean, I like where we are. It's just so different when I started to where it is today. The ability to get information, to transmit information, it's just not even the same in the universe. I mean, it's pretty exciting.
And here we have the SEC Network where they've been interviewing players. Oh, and look, there's Tim Tebow.